detections because when the child is in a mess or when parents are facing these problems, this is a very, very serious issue. Burgyak, early detection, it helps them for their future growth. Iskolant, I think we need to have resourceful rooms in schools also and resourceful teachers who can detect and identify that yes, there is something that is going wrong. I believe this is part of the system that we need to follow. It's because Sokani Ami Uleile with regards to the functioning of the casualty. Now, the waiting period on an average, I'm not blaming the doctors, but 3 to 4 hours, 3 hours, I think casualty astat. Only GMC, 3 to 4 hours. Technically, if you have the periphery equipments lined up at the side, you need more consultants. Other serious patients, intervention and quick diagnosis. Dead or bitor जावपाक जाय. And ये थिंगा जायना. Why कित्याक जायना? Because 150 to 160 is an average. I average काड्या किच. 150 a day patients come in the casualty. And every 24 hours, 150 serious patients. Now it's because the CMO officer hai. They 15 वर्षा झाले, 17 वर्षा. They join and they retire in the same department, same setup. आता 17 वर्षा दूर तू अंक बहुत दिसतो इंगे उपास 17 वर्षा. Because but you imagine the doctor's condition in the same setup. They cannot be professors. I believe he's relaxed some norms to make them associate professors. But somehow you need to increase this number of because of the consultants. Because same issue casualties of South Goa district antori eja pad ha. Sarke it is worse. Because the health minister, I believe, you should look at approaches like an alternative emergency department on the lines of All India Institute of Medical Science. That is something due to they have trauma care and something like that, which you have them working day in, day out at that time. It's a very successful module in Delhi. And I believe that if you try to introduce something like that, we can maybe possibly save a lot of lives. We spoke about stroke and STEMI patients, and I believe that this spoke and hub module was something that you started, and inject and send was very important. But because first hour to fourth hour seems to be critical. But patients now, for example, from Kankon and Sange, these patients, because are sent to district hospital sometimes lacks the facilities. Absolutely, there is a problem. You need to, see, I'll tell you why. You need to rectify that 1 hour. 1 hour is critical. These procedures need to be done fully in South Goa District Hospital itself. It should not be a referral hospital. It's because of Jenna, CT scan zata. Tya vada ek neurologist needs to analyze it. What is happening? Whether this case needs to be identified as whether you have a blocked artery, and if you have a rupture or a bleed and you need to intervene during a surgery. So these are very, very critical things and happens within a short period of time. I have personally seen this because, and I'm speaking from my heart, is because one of my close relative, I have monitored that and seen that happening right in front of my eyes. I myself was in the ambulance. I myself saw how things have to move. But I was in Bangalore. I was not in Goa at that particular time. But by God's grace, things went well. And I believe because this is a very serious issue. Kidak jya paddatin aaj burgyak, jya burgya hai, stroke zada. The average, if you see, is increasing, especially young youth. It's because ani ek motto sarko prashn munta to premature babies. Now, I believe that practically almost every day there is a premature delivery. I congratulate Goa Medical College because I always say, private hospital and zomitor gele sogle C-section kadais because yes, C-section, I believe Goa Medical College je natural born babies जावपाक जाय, normal pregnancies जावपाक जाय त्या पद्धतीन they try their best. But because jenna premature babies जाता, because they main problem unta to thinga NICU cho. Anik when you talk about NICU, the problem, there are only 8 ventilators, I believe. Anik these 8 ventilators are basically not enough. Health Minister, ते 8 ventilator पड्या basically they are not enough there for this premature babies. And Speaker sir, you require technically for 2 babies one doctor, more dedicatedly a pediatric intensivist. This is what Goa Medical College, it's absolutely lacking. आज उदाहरण आम्ही आमचे डिनाचे आभार मानता दोतोर बांडेकराचे, कित्याक एक केस जाली कुंकोळच्या गांवान. हाव आय एक्सपिरियन्स दिस इज फॉर माय एक्सपिरियन्स, बिकॉज ते जे भुरगें जाल्लें and that भुरगें was premature. After the baby was premature, there was no ventilators there. The baby had to be rushed to Manipal, Healthway. आणि जाल कितें स्पीकर सर, ते पेरंट्सा त्या वेळार कोणा, बट ते बिल जे येता प्रत्येक दिसाक खर्च तेजो ऑलमोस्ट 25,000 रुपीज, आणि जे इन्शुरन्सा अंडर वॉट इज कवर्ड इज ओनली 5,000-6,000 rupees. So 20,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees per day they have to pay because of je ventilator na म्हणून. Because I believe that although the baby was brought back to GMC immediately after the ventilator was available, that is why I thank the dean. But Speaker sir, this is something that we need to look with the number of premature babies born at GMC. आता टाटा कॅन्सर टर्शरी युनिट म्हणून जेन्ना अनाउन्स केलें, आमी मंत्रीक कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट केलो, आनी जेन्ना कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट केलो, आय बिलीव देर वॉज अ डिले. द डिले ड्यू टू द एनवायरमेंटल क्लियरन्स, डिले whether you have changed it from tertiary cancer center to a regional cancer center is what is in your head, and whether what is the impact, what is the number of patients expected, from where, with it being a regionalistic program now. Because Speaker sir, if you look at the number of cancer patients in Goa, it is growing. I would not say in a particular sector, but it is definitely growing, and we need proper cancer treatment. Barikshe, aaj we have good oncologists, but in the private sector also there are very few oncologists that are working, very expensive with the healthcare that is currently there. Because so maka dista this has to change. This basically has to change. Speaking on the setup of the cath lab, je hata jenna operation korpak bhauntat, Speaker sir, we have the best doctors. आणि आमगे स्वर्गेस मंजुनाथ तिंगाना, ही वॉज ऑल्सो इन्स्ट्रुमेंटल. जावं बोरकर दोतर, जावं दुसरे सगळे जे आहे, दे आर द बेस्ट. बट इफ यू लुक स्पीकर सर, दिसा 20 केश्यो कॅथ लॅबान, 2 कॅथ लॅब्स इज डेडिकेटेड टू एंजियोप्लास्टी एंड एंजियोग्राफी. बट इफ यू लुक दॅट, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स नॉट इनफ, बिकॉज जे इंटरवेंशन करपाक जाय समटायम्स बेस्ड ऑन द सिवियरिटी. आतां जेन्ना हे कॅट लॅबाक कितें जाता स्पीकर, जो भितर कितें डिफेक्ट मेळ्ळो, ब्लॉक मेळ्ळी जाल्यार ते टायमाक दोतोर वचोन ते स्टेंट बसयता. पूण समटायम्स द डॉक्टर टेक्स अ कॉल वेदर बेस्ड ऑन द केसीस, बेस्ड ऑन द इमर्जन्सी सिट्युएशन. सो स्पीकर सर, दुसरे जोरी तर प्रायवेट हितून गेल्यार जोरी तर ते दोतोराक दिसता की टॅबलेटीन जावचें ना म्हणून, समटायम्स दे टेक अ कॉल एंड दे स्टेंट इट. Now appointment for stents have given after 1.5 months, after 2 months, and लोक मागीर हांगा फोन मारता, मातशें ते अपॉइंटमेंट आहा ते बेगीन ते भितर, अरे हाटा जालो हा म्हणून सांगलो हा म्हणून, ते भितर केदो गामू सारकें हें जातलें म्हणून. सो स्पीकर सर, आय बिलीव दॅट you have to look at this. Your peripheral vascular thing that you're doing in the old GMC, the setup is good, because there's a lot of tendency for people having diabetes. 1 in 5 today has diabetes, and with the amputations that happen, gangrene je jata, I believe that you have a good radio interventionalist je tumi घेतलोलो ha. These type of procedures, speakers, need to happen day in, day out. Kidak Barikshe, today with, as I said in the morning, interventional radiology is the future of medicine. You need to focus much more into that, and I believe that it is possible. But yep, sogle म्हाका दिसता पयशे जाय एका स्पीकर. इव्हेंट सगळे मातशे आमी बंद करूया. इव्हेंट इले बंद केले न्हू, लोक साल्वार जातलो. इव्हेंट नाचोन हें जालें तें जालें, मग कांय ना, लोकांक साल्वार करूया. स्पीकर सर, Another thing is the Honorable Health Minister announced about is the robotic surgery. Now, robotic surgery this is a welcome move. And I think Dr. Bandekar has performed some things with robotic knee procedures. But because the need of the hour is that we need advanced laparoscopy robotic surgery unit. And advanced laparoscopy surgery units because complicated cases high. There are cases which you do not want to open up and you want to do it laparoscopically, especially laparoscopically or advanced laparoscopy gives you a 3D depth perception. So complicated surgeries for the esophagus, for the stomach, for the colon, these are things that are done in the private hospital. But I believe in GMC it's more like the traditional. If you have an advanced robotic surgery, if someone is trained and a setup is made, I believe this will help with complicated patients of diabetes, pressure and so on. It's because super specialties of block where you do cardiothoracic surgeries or bypasses, I believe you need to set up a blood bank there. Because for one surgery you need almost 6 bottles of blood. This is something that is a need of the hour with the amount of cases moving forward. It's because I sokan sanglole and now mantri kode magota. It's very important about the PET scan. 23,000, 27,000 paid outside in a private medical hospital. But the need of the hour today is that we do it in GMC, early detection, early diagnosis to get the line of treatment for cancer. And that's because the working of the health ministry has a direct connect and a bearing on the quality of the life of the people. Anik, with the amount of private hospitals being unaffordable, especially our PHCs, I believe you need to have reasonable, good facilities. Amgele 62 years of after liberation, through our CHC, je 100 hai, PHC je 24 hai, sub centers je 220 hai, RMD je 33 hai. Somehow, because all this needs to be updated. They are all in dilapidated condition, and because our health service delivered through this PHC, UHC does not show any sort of improvement. It's because timely and well-equipped ambulance service to patients. This is also something that is required in our health centers. It's because hygienic washrooms, and with washrooms when I talk about bathrooms and toilet facilities, in most of these health centers, things are going from bad to worse. Urban health center je Modguncha gawan talle, ye je ek heritage health center ashille, no structural audit done, bis talpotri gan bond kelle. It's because if you look, many buildings are constructed and which are new, they are idle, they are lying idle for long. But many buildings are also in a dilapidated condition. Because amgele je healthcare facilities, most of these CHCs, UHCs, X-ray machines are solnai, ultrasound for different types of scans solnai. You don't have proper medical equipment in most of the health centers. Mainly, je Kankonche je case, je ek representation amch bore ille. And them sanglale the children ward also. I think you need a full-time child specialist in Kankon. It's because there is, if you look at the ambulance services to patients, this is something that the minister had done when he was with the Congress. And the 108 is because at that time currently there is acute shortage of ambulances. And in Magadista, patients, several lives could have been saved. It's because only 60 ambulances today, as per the reply, only about 60 ambulances are in working condition. This, I believe, needs to be doubled. आमचे एक उदाहरण हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सांगपाक सोदता आमचे बाळ्ळी हेल्थ सेंटरान थिंगान ती एम्ब्युलन्स चलना सारकी ती नाच बट तेज भायर एक बरी कार्डियक एम्ब्युलन्स आमकां जाय इफ यू कॅन send that cardiac and park it in Bali Health Center, because otherwise they move all around. I think the base could be Bali Health Center. And that's because there are also a lot of cases of dengue, chikungunya and malaria. The rise is about 140%. I believe the equipment, if you look at the equipment that is said that the department has, 4 spraying pumps, 2 fogging machines, 1 thermal fogging machine available with the health department for fogging, spraying the gutters and drains. How much can you fog with this type of equipment, Speaker Sir? Speaker Sir, we speak all the time about the South Goa District Hospital. And there is a good building, there is no doubt about it. What we need is equipment, what we need is doctors, what we need is surgeons, what we need is support staff. There is a talk also of privatization. Now, Speaker Sir, this to start a nursing college. But I believe that I've got some answers that say that the nursing college is going to be made in the old GMC, old Hospicio hospital. But Speaker Sir, medical colleges that cannot be private. Because this, Speaker Sir, the government had created this building and this infrastructure, and are we gifting it to a private empire? Can people in the future afford this? Speaker Sir, Dakshin Goinche Lok, Magadista will oppose this tooth and nail of the move of the government in case they want to give it to a private medical college. Speaker Sir, I firmly believe, and the Chief Minister is not here, I congratulate the Health Minister. He seems to be looking young, doing procedures. I heard about biohacking and stuff. But Speaker Sir, my belief is that the Finance Department has kept the Health Ministry on a starvation diet. This is what needs to be corrected. And this needs to go in the right direction. The effect is on the common man. Speaker Sir, most of our finance needs to go into this health department. It's a basic necessity. Today, आमी रस्ते सार लोकांक दिनाय, उदोय सार लोकांक पावना, आनी मागीर जेवपाकूय सगळी म्हारगाय जाल्या, आनी आतां हेल्था जरी तर ही बारीकशी सुविधा आमी दिवपाक शकनाय. लोकांक आनी आमी हिंगा आमदार म्हणून ओ मंत्री म्हणून कित्याक आहाय? Speaker Sir, most of these things have been stalled, I believe, is because of inadequate finance. Speaker Sir, Dakshin Goinche जरी तर आमी data चोयल्यार, it's shocking to see that 17,452 referrals are made in the last 4 years. 17,000. Almost, on an average, 1200, 1300 people come there in the OPD. Now, there is one nephrologist who comes from Apollo Victor, one cardiologist, Speaker Sir, who comes once a week from GMC. Speaker Sir, जायते blood test करपाक जाय when people come with something, but there are few things. Normally they do something known as a complete blood check count or a CBC, but normally they stay away from doing LFTs, from RFTs, especially in the night. Enzyme markers म्हणून आसता, whether a person is supposed to get a heart attack, but this result comes after 12 hours. Speaker Sir, it's not in district hospital, it's not done immediately. You have to look at this. 2D echo, that a normal scan of the heart, this as well, Speaker Sir, is done once a week, I believe. Speaker Sir, stroke jenna thrombolize korta, you need a senior person there, because when you thrombolize, there are chances of even bleeding cases happening. That is lacking. Ek doctor looks after 120 patients. This is the load. Imagine you have 120 patients for an instance and one doctor. You have, Speaker Sir, 30 medical officers working there. Absolutely, the radiology department works with one CT scan machine. There is no MRI machine. That's a basic thing that the doctors, you give them some equipment. CAT lab unto jenna mantri announce kele, I congratulated him. Ani amka disle ante CAT lab it's a need of the hour in the South Goa. But if we look at the answers, it is shocking. It says that the CAT lab will be on the roof of the South Goa District Hospital, on the terrace. And on the terrace, there is no roof, is the observation of GSIDC. Speaker Sir, where are we heading? This is something I believe that is needed and is the need of the hour. जे पद्धतीन आज road accident जे जात आहे, neurology is something that is very, very sophisticated. The neurologist itself over there are not present in South Goa District Hospital. It's because tinga JSIDC repair work म्हणून जे contract ahlo, that contract is over. The blood component separation unit that was required in South Goa District Hospital. Normally, during dengue cases, you get something known as a single donor platelet thing that separates the blood plasma and whatever. But I believe a blood component separation unit is required at the South Goa District Hospital. The casualty munta is completely flooded. Poor doctors, they can't do. Sometimes to check, they cannot help with the amount of cases, the accidents arising. It's because another observation, and I would like to tell the Honorable Minister, is Dr. Edward Demelopod, senior physician. He's retiring soon now. He's retiring very soon. And there has to be a replacement done immediately. ICU he has started, that is a good thing. One observation is that there's a lot of sunlight in front of the pediatric and the ENT OPD there in South Goa District Hospital. I don't know what is this, why is this sunlight, but you need to cover this place. It's because MRI machine mutte tinga na. The doctors are complaining. It's because the doctors are complaining.
Honorable member, how much longer would you take? I think you've had
5,
enough
10
of
minutes.
time.
Sorry?
Yeah.
I didn't speak. 30 minutes I spoke. I started another 10 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
10 minutes. Tinga all retired staff, whatever they have to be taken. Now, one of your answers that you have given, if you look at the total amount of vacancies, I'll be a little fast. 173 and 193 with regards to contract bond NHM basis. This has increased from last time, that was 143 and 157. So you require, and the increase is 27% in the last 1 year. It's because you say that the government, there is a ban on creation of posts in all the departments. But what stops you from filling the vacancies? Minister Bab, what stops you from filling the vacancies of the sanctioned list? What stops you from filling these positions? It's because answer amka, whatever we've got to know, setting up of CAT lab is on, I would summarize this, setting up of CAT lab is on terrace, there is no roof. Your reply says that JSIDC wants to build the roof. Modalities, plans to set up neurosurgery is still being worked upon. Private medical college is under process. Administrative approval for setting up nursing college in old premises hospital. No proposal received regarding All India Institute of Medical Science or branch of AIIMS at South Goa District Hospital. No proposal regarding private nursing college. Speaker sir, categorically I would like to ask the Honorable Minister that on what government intends to do with respect to the CAT lab, with respect to the neurosurgery unit, with respect to the private medical college, with respect to the nursing college.
या दर्याक पळयतकीर म्हज्या मनात खूबशे तरंग उठतात, खूबशी ल्हारां उसळटात. या दर्याच्या पोटात लिपला कितें? या दर्यान कितली गुपितां आपल्या पोटात लिपयल्यात. गोमंतक टीव्ही